I thought I knew all about masculine good looks. Then I met the Commodore.
If you're looking for a new kind of driving excitement, combined with a new level of room and comfort, new Holden Commodore.
This is it, and this time I know it's for real. I can't explain what I'm feeling. Happened today, happened my way. Just gotta say.
This is a spacious driving environment for passenger and driver alike, with headroom and legroom to spare for 5 adults. If plenty of room is what you're looking for.
This is it, and this time I know it's for real.
It's the kind of car that could tempt anyone.
My son, there's room for all to share.
Holden Commodore, a new kind of car for Australia.
This is it, and this time I know it's for real. This is it.
They think their lines turn me on, but I've met the Commodore.
I thought I knew all about meeting a challenge. Then I met the Commodore.
Here's the dawn of a new kind of car for Australia. New Holden Commodore. As you can see, a strikingly distinctive automobile, and built to keep its good looks, even in the toughest Australian conditions. Beneath this sleek exterior, in areas where cars are most prone to rust, Holden selects body panels of special rust-resistant pre-coated steel, so you'll get extra protection against rain and salt air. Just one of the reasons why new Holden Commodore will challenge all your ideas about Australian cars. Holden Commodore, a new kind of car for Australia.
This is it, and this time I know it's for real. This is it.
Commodore. A new Holden so advanced it will challenge all your ideas about Australian cars. A new kind of car for Australia. In 3 models, priced from a recommended $6,513 plus on-road costs. At your Holden dealer now.
This is it, and this time I know it's for real. This is it.
I thought I knew all about the comforts of living the good life. But then I met the Commodore.